Hey guys, so today we're going to start off with simplifying the expression, and we're going to distribute x with x squared, x with negative 4x, and x with positive 1. Then we're going to distribute 10 with x squared, negative 4x, and 1. Then you multiply them. You get x to the third minus 4x to the second plus 1x plus 10x squared negative 40x plus 10. Then you combine like terms, negative 4x squared with positive 10x squared. Then positive 1x and negative 40x. Then you add them, and then you get x to the third plus 6x squared minus 39x plus 10. And that is your answer.